The judge in this case is asking for more information. Skyler Henry is following all the developments from Wilmington, Delaware. Skyler?
Hey, listen, Ryan, good to be with the both of you. The line in the sand, if you will, for this judge were the terms of this plea arrangement, especially considering that there are outstanding investigations into Hunter Biden that could lead to possible or pending charges, simply saying that she cannot move forward with this agreement because doing so would be a rubber stamp deal.
Hunter Biden remains in legal jeopardy after a plea deal with federal prosecutors fell apart in court. The deal unraveled when Judge Mariella Noreika questioned whether the agreement gave the president's son immunity from all crimes or just the 3 charges he currently faces.
She obviously had a lot of questions today. She was concerned about the propriety of reaching a plea agreement when there are still outstanding, possible pending charges and ongoing investigation against Hunter Biden. And so she kicked the tires on this deal and at the end of the day said, look, I just can't approve this.
Biden has now pled not guilty to 2 misdemeanor tax charges and a felony gun charge. The 2 sides have 2 weeks to work on an agreement before they're due in court again. Meanwhile, investigations into Hunter Biden's business dealings will continue.
Republicans say they want to hear directly from the prosecutor who recommended the plea deal. They're calling for him to testify before Congress.
We've got this weird lack of clarity as to whether the Delaware U.S. attorney was able to pursue the investigation fully, whether he did fully.
U.S. Attorney David Weiss, a Trump appointee, says he is willing to testify. Weiss has also told Congress in writing that he had the ultimate authority on the case.
Now, Skyler, House Speaker Kevin McCarthy cited IRS whistleblowers as one reason he could look into an impeachment inquiry into President Biden's activities. What do today's developments signal for that particular statement?
Well, if you listen to House Speaker McCarthy, he'll say that what those whistleblowers had to say earlier this month is more than enough cause to continue to look into whether what Hunter Biden was doing is tied to what President Biden has done over the course of the past 5, if not longer, years. You'll remember those whistleblowers said that over the course of their investigation, they were either handcuffed or railroaded from going down certain inroads, if you will, that could have potentially led to implications tying what Hunter Biden was doing to President Biden. That was enough to spur up interest for Republicans to try to consider this impeachment inquiry. Now, several of them were asked about that earlier today down on Capitol Hill. They said that there's not enough there to do so yet, but they are still investigating. Meanwhile, the White House says that Republicans are doing everything that they can to try to tie President Biden to this, even though he's done nothing wrong.